In today's video, I'm going to teach you attach documents in Hubspot. We're going to walk through how to attach documents directly to a CRM record in Hubspot, like a contact, a company, a deal, or a ticket. This is really helpful when you want all relevant information, such as contracts, proposals, or screenshots, stored right where your team works every day, instead of spread across email threads or shared drives. First, start by logging into your Hubspot account and navigating to the main CRM area. At the top of the screen, you'll see the CRM section in your main navigation bar. Hover over it, then choose the type of record you want to work with. For example, you might select contacts if you're attaching a document to a specific person, or deals if you're attaching a contract or quote to a sales opportunity. The process is the same for any record type. Once you've selected the record type, you'll see a list of records on your screen. Find the record you want to update, then click the record name to open its detailed view. This takes you into the individual record, where you can see its timeline, properties, and associated activities. Now, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. In the right sidebar, locate the section labeled Attachments. This is where HubSpot keeps any files that have been attached to this particular record. If you don't see many items there yet, that's okay. We're about to add one. Click the Add button in the Attachments section. This will open a small window or panel that gives you two main options for adding a file. The first option is Upload New, which lets you upload a document directly from your computer. Choose this if the file is saved locally or on your network. When you click Upload New, browse to the file you want, select it, and confirm. HubSpot will upload the file and link it to the record automatically. The second option is Choose Existing. This is useful if the document is already stored in HubSpot, maybe because you or someone on your team has uploaded it before for another record. When you click Choose Existing, you'll see your existing files from HubSpot's File Manager. Search or browse for the file you need, select it, and confirm. After you've either uploaded a new file or chosen an existing one, you'll see the document listed under Attachments in the right sidebar. From here, you and your team can quickly open it, download it, or replace it later if needed.